What's up, everybody? If you watch the channel, you know I've been knocking stuff out on this car, just little things here and there. Here's the factory shift knob. It's pretty chewed up. That's how I got it. I'm assuming whoever owned it at one point had a ring. You'll notice I put this ridiculous bolt in there. Surprisingly, that bolt was in my cup of crap and it just fit. So what I'm gonna do is put this in my drill. Actually, I'm gonna put this on that socket, and then I am going to hook it up to my drill and spin it on some sandpaper and see if we can't smooth this out and see what the outcome is. All right, this is the rig I have set up for it. It's already made a pretty decent dent in it. This is just 1000 grit. Did kind of burn through the paper, but that was only, I don't know, 45 seconds worth. So we're gonna keep going and see what happens. All right, here it is after about 5 minutes. Kind of taking a pick and cleaning out some of the gunk in those numbers, but it's getting there. It's gonna take a little bit more, but. All right, so this is just a little before and after. There is the bottom of the shift knob that I haven't started on yet. That's how it looked, pretty much how I got it. And here's me done with the, well, I'm not done with the top, but it gives you an idea of how you can clean these things up. So I just used some sandpaper and some Blue Magic, and that's what we got. So pretty happy with that. Thought about just leaving it half and half, but we'll see.